Hello guys, and I am Stickman and I don't know why. I'm thirsty. Well, I need some vending machine. I need some vending machine, guys. Guys, please. Well, I think I can draw a vending machine. Wait a minute, I can just go inside some game. Okay, let's try this game. Roblox. Inside Tower Defense Simulator. What is this? I think the developer aiding this vending machine. He know I am thirsty. Sorry for this bad drawing. Whatever, let's drink this. Wait, I must take my mouth. Weird. Okay, let's go. Wait, what is this? I'm literally just a bubble gum. Do you know who I am? Oh, Dev. Teal? Yeah, I'm Dev. And do you know why do I add that vending machine? Because I'm thirsty. Yes, and you can own this vending machine forever. Here is your ability. Vending machine forever. Okay. Why do I need to add vending machine literally just forever? Because I don't know. It's time for me to go. Then bye. Oh hey guys. Wait. I forget something. I think I know. Because I own this vending machine now. Well, where's my house? A few minutes later. And this is my bedroom inside my house. Among Us. Let me place my vending machine. Yay. Just a yay ending.